10 British phrases with meanings and examples.
It's just snip, snip, and Bob's your uncle.
Jane, you double Moreau and sell the coats to Wistrom, and Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle, meaning everything is sorted. Example, add the sugar, stir, and Bob's your uncle.
It's great, but they're cheeky.
Would you like me to stop being cheeky?
Cheeky, meaning playfully impudent or mischievous. Example, he had a cheeky grin after stealing my chips.
See, what you done today, you and Joey, you're chuffed up now.
Harry would have been chuffed.
Chuffed, meaning very pleased. Example, I was chuffed to win the award.
The world is knackered and you can do something about it.
My nose is knackered.
Knackered, meaning extremely tired. Example, after the hike, I was absolutely knackered.
They are gobsmacked that we got her.
Don't just stand there looking gobsmacked.
Gobsmacked, meaning completely shocked. Example, I was gobsmacked by the surprise party.
Someone gutted him and roped him to the ceiling.
This man, Nicholas Boyle, was gutted with a hunting knife.
Gutted, meaning deeply disappointed. Example, he was gutted to lose the match.
Someone in the community taking the mickey.
Now, don't be taking the mickey, sir.
Taking the mickey, meaning mocking someone. Example, are you taking the mickey out of my accent?
I've done some moonlighting, but nothing fancy like this.
He's staying at that fancy casino hotel across the street, okay?
Fancy, meaning to like or desire something someone. Example, do you fancy a cup of tea?
You skive off today and that congresswoman might split your pretty little buns.
Passing on all the shit jobs to you so we can skive off.
Skive, meaning to avoid work or duty. Example, he's always skiving off school.
They're offering me 1,000 quid.
I'll throw in an extra £3 for your extra time.
Quid, meaning £1 sterling. Example, can you lend me 10 quid?